This brand is from Hearth & Home Technologies and is available through their authorized dealers in North America. The Primo II models are linear fireplaces that are available in 3 sizes from 48 to 72 inches and with heating capacities of 45,000 to 58,500 BTU. They offer an optional heat duct kit to better distribute the heat as well as a Wi-Fi module for more control options. The Cerona models are floor standing units with a more traditional arched front, and they are available in either 36 or 42-inch sizes with heating capacities of 37,500 or 48,000 BTU. They offer an optional fan to distribute the heat throughout the room and feature their IntelliFire touchscreen remote. The Slimline Series offers a more modern clean face design and large windows for viewing the fire. The Lanai models are outdoor fireplaces in either front-facing or see-through models, and they are available in 48 or 60-inch sizes. The brand is backed by a very good warranty. This brand receives an overall 4-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.